Ever pondered on how to systematically tackle your personal debt? The idea can be overwhelming, and often it might seem like an insurmountable challenge. The fear of being trapped in an endless cycle of debt is real and widely shared. But what if I told you there exists a strategy, a structured plan, that aids you in not just paying off your debts but also does so in a manner that ensures you remain motivated and committed through the entire process? This isn't a fantasy, it's a unique concept, designed specifically to maintain your engagement and resilience as you travel down the road of debt recovery. This method is more than a plan, it's a catalyst for change, a beacon of hope for those feeling lost in the sea of debt. Enter the Debt Snowball method, a concept designed to keep you engaged in your journey to financial freedom. So what exactly is this Debt Snowball method? It's a unique approach to tackling debt. Essentially, consider the visual of a minute snowball on a slope. As it commences its journey down, it slowly gathers more snow, intensifying both in size and pace, culminating into a mighty snowball toward the end. This is a metaphorical depiction of the Debt Snowball method. The snowball symbolizes your debt and the slope represents your repayment strategy. So, how does it operate? Initiate by categorizing your debts, smallest to largest, irrespective of the interest rate. The smallest debt becomes your primary target. Make it your mission to expend every possible dollar towards eliminating this debt, while simultaneously maintaining the minimum payments on your larger debts. Why the smallest debt first? This is a question many people ask, and the answer is simple but powerful. It's all about creating momentum. When you're mired debt, it can feel overwhelming. The mountain of obligations can seem impossible to overcome. But by focusing on the smallest debt, you begin to break down that mountain into more manageable hills. The logic is quite straightforward. Smaller debts are easier to pay off. You'll likely be able to do it faster, perhaps even within a single pay cycle. This quick success can provide a much-needed psychological boost. It's like completing the first level of a challenging video game. That initial triumph, no matter how small, gives you a sense of achievement. It's in proof that you're making progress, that you're capable of reducing your debt. Once you've paid off one debt, you know you can do it again, and again. The momentum builds, the motivation grows, and before it, you've created a snowball effect. The more debts you pay, the easier it becomes to tackle the next one. So, the strategy of paying off the smallest debt first is not just about the financial aspect, it's also about instilling a sense of confidence and self-belief. Once that smallest debt is cleared, you progress to the next smallest debt, incorporating the amount you were previously putting towards the first debt into your payments for the second. This action forms the foundation of the snowball method. The more debts are cleared, the funds you have available to clear subsequent debts also grow. The psychology behind this strategy is that it offers a sense of achievement early on, encouraging you to stick to the plan and stay disciplined. It's fulfilling to see the list of debts reduce one by one, providing a powerful motivation to carry on with the process. This simple and effective approach can be a game changer for anyone struggling with debt. As each debt gets paid off, the amount of money you have to pay off the next debt increases, accelerating your debt payoff. Let's start with a review of the key components of the Debt Snowball strategy, an idea introduced by Ramsey. Firstly, itemize your debts in ascending order, from least to most substantial. Attack the lowest debt payments with every penny you can spare while paying your other minimum payments. Once the first debt is paid off, roll the payments to the next smallest debt. This embodies the essence of Ramsey's snowball effect, which accelerates the debt clearance process immensely. Fourthly, maintain this momentum until every single debt is cleared off. This is not a quick-fix solution but a test of patience and consistency. Persistence and unwavering commitment to the plan are essential. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistency and perseverance. It has this remarkable ability to not just provide a solution to your debt problems, but to make you rethink your relationship with money. It forcibly moves you towards a life where you live according to your resources, encourages you to take a hard look at your lifestyle choices, and pushes you to make tough decisions. It is a method that involves not just your money, but your habits, discipline, and determination too. The Debt Snowball method instills in you a new consciousness about the value of financial discipline. It urges you to live just for the moment, but to plan for a secure future. It makes you reconsider your spending habits, teaching you to differentiate between your needs and wants, thereby aiding you in setting the right priorities when it comes to spending. The method presents you with the harsh reality of your finances, compelling you to make sacrifices, strengthening your willpower in the face of temptations, and guiding you conscious choices that lead to a debt-free life. For a full, in-depth looking at Dave Ramsey's other baby steps to financial freedom, click the link above and start your journey to living like the best version of yourself.